This is bonding, classification of bonds. Let's look at model 1. You'll need your periodic table because notice this is a blank periodic table right here. And so we want to have our periodic table so we can fill in what we need to fill in. It says for each of the following compounds, place the symbol of the first element in its spot on the periodic table using red ink. Then place the symbol of the second element in its spot on the periodic table using black ink. You can come get a red ink pen from me to do this. I'm not going to do mine in red and black, but you'll get the idea. Okay, so for this first one, we see sodium. So we find sodium, and he's in group 1, and he's 1, 2, 3 down. So I go to group 1, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put Na, just the element symbol there. And then I'm going to find the second element here, which is chlorine, and he's in group 17, and he's 1, 2 down. So I'm going to go all the way across. Here's group 17, and he's 2 down, and I'm going to put chlorine there. And I'm going to continue putting my element symbols in where they belong on my periodic table. All right, once we do that, then we're going to answer the questions based on where these symbols are. Now remember, what separates the metals from the nonmetals is this stair-step line. Okay, so that'll help you answer the questions. Remember, a metal plus a nonmetal is an ionic bond, and let's recall a nonmetal plus a nonmetal is a covalent bond. Okay, so down here we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put these element symbols where they go on the periodic table and answer the questions. Okay, then on the back we've got more questions. It says applying the models. It talks about model 1 and model 2. It's referring back to this page over here where we put in model 1, model 2, and then we're going to classify elements here as metals or nonmetals, and then we'll determine if that's an ionic or covalent bond. Here we're going to circle the elements. Notice there's more than one answer on 24 and 25. Okay, so see if you can answer all of those. Let me know if you have any questions.